Please make sure the connection is good between smartphone and Mower. Enter the interface of the app. Press the remote control functions. There are 4 options. Press Auto. The mower will work automatically in this pattern. Welcome to Easy Robot. In order to satisfy the needs of the market, we developed a new software, the Wi-Fi app for the mower. That means we can remote control the mower and setting different functions with the smartphone. This function will make your garden grass trimming more convenient. Press Remote. The mower works in menu and we can direct the mowers working with your phone. And turn left and turn right. When choose Home, your mower will go back to charging station automatically. You can go back the original interface by pressing Switch. Now we are in the original interface. Enter the function settings. Here are 8 functions for the mower. Press Address. We can set the number from 1 to 59. The mower has 11 languages. You can choose your language from the language selection. From the range, we can choose 4 modes. That's the distance of the mower to hit the virtual wire. For the functions ultrasonic wave, ring sensor, touch sensor, pressure sensor, and compass, we can choose to turn them on or off with the smartphone. Now we enter the date, week, and time settings. We can set the system time of the mower. Let's back to the original interface. Enter the working area setting. We can set 6 areas at most. And we can also set the mower working time in different areas. Enters password. You can set the 4-digit password that's easy for you to remember, and you can modify the password as the instructions. Finally, the mower state query. You can get the information of running time, charging time, and alarm messages.